Imagine you're about to make a purchase online, but you're hesitant to use your credit card. What if there was a safer, more convenient way to pay? Well, that's where paysafe comes in. Have you ever wondered, what can I actually use paysafe for? Let's dive in and explore the exciting world of paysafe. Section 1. What is paysafe? Paysafe is a global payment platform that offers a variety of online payment solutions. It's like a digital wallet that you can use to make secure and convenient payments. So, why choose paysafe? Security. Paysafe prioritizes security with advanced encryption and fraud protection measures. Convenience. No need to enter your credit card details every time you shop. Flexibility. Paysafe offers multiple payment options to suit your preferences. Section 2. Paysafe payment methods. Let's explore some of the popular paysafe payment methods. Paysafe cards. These prepaid cards are available in various denominations and can be purchased at retail stores or online. Paysafe e-wallet, a digital wallet that allows you to store and manage your funds online. Paysafe bank transfer, a convenient way to transfer funds directly from your bank account. Paysafe My Paysafe, a personalized account that gives you access to all your Paysafe services. Section 3. Where can you use Paysafe? Paysafe is widely accepted by online merchants and service providers. Here are some common use cases. Online shopping. Purchase goods and services from your favorite online retailers. Gaming. Fund your online gaming accounts and purchase in-game items. Gambling. Place bets on online casinos, sportsbooks, and poker rooms. Social media. Purchase virtual items, subscriptions, or memberships on social media platforms. Streaming services. Pay for subscriptions to streaming platforms like Netflix or Spotify. Section 4. Benefits of using Paysafe. Using Paysafe offers several advantages. Privacy. Protect your personal and financial information from online scams. Control. Manage your spending and avoid overspending. Flexibility. Choose the payment method that suits your needs and preferences. Convenience. Enjoy a seamless payment experience without the hassle of traditional methods. Section 5. How to get started with Paysafe. Ready to start using Paysafe? Here's a simple guide. Choose a payment method. Decide if you want a Paysafe card, e-wallet, or bank transfer. Create an account. Register for a Paysafe account to manage your funds and payments. Fund your account. Add funds to your Paysafe account using your preferred method. Start shopping. Use your Paysafe account to make payments at participating merchants. Section 6. Paysafe versus other payment methods. How does Paysafe compare to other popular payment methods like PayPal and credit cards? Let's take a look. Security. Paysafe offers similar security features to other payment methods. Convenience. Paysafe can be more convenient for certain types of purchases, especially online gaming and gambling. Fees. Fees may vary depending on the payment method and region. Paysafe is a versatile and secure payment platform that offers numerous benefits. Whether you're an online shopper, gamer, or simply looking for a convenient way to manage your finances, Paysafe has something to offer. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.